Hello and welcome Simulink for new users. My name is Kamran Chod. Today I will talk about how to start with Simulink. I will use three blocks here: modeling, simulation and collaboration, and I will show you how to use some of the features. Let's start with the Simulink. Get ready for building model. How to use Simulink. Start the Matlab. The first window will open like this. Just click here Simulink, initialize, and new window will open. Here is new blank models. Another way to open this, just type here Simulink and press enter. The same window will open. Use how to build a model and designing a system. After that I will simulate the model, check it is working and how it is behaving, which model I created. See if model is okay, it is working nicely, and any modification is required. Done. I will share with the other team members and we can implement. First you will come here, Simulink start page. Optimize it. What I have here, there are some templates. You can start it with this one. Also if you scroll you will find filters, feedback controllers, multiplier, state machine, blank model. Just in the Simulink, here it is new, and examples also here available. For learning something, so we'll go for new and we'll open a blank model. When you open a blank model, one blank window will open like that. Just to show how easy to open a model, I will start with blank model, and this is how you can see a canvas. At the first step I will save my model, so you can give here any name, first model, then enter, and if you save you will see here it will not save because it is a invalid name. So how to save it? You should not put here space. Save it. No, it will save. So make sure the name should be different. You cannot put space. Will save in the same directory where we are working by default. Basically is a block diagram environment. Only you want to bring some blocks, and here you can see, you can just click here library browser. It will open like this, a list library browser, and if you click this sign, so it will open similar library browser. Just simple, click here library from the menu, click library blocks, and in the Simulink if you click any one, so it will open the blocks which is available. There is not only Simulink, some other products which having we can work on it. It is also available here in the blocks. Just simply drag and drop on your canvas. You no need to make your own blocks, so it is already available. Like a model, a sine wave input, and I will amplify it by a factor, and it will, how it will work, the way I will show it the signal is working. For that I will just use the sources library. Block act as a signal source. We'll use the sine wave. Just select, drag and drop here. Bring a block into my model. Simply you double click and it will open the block parameter sine wave. Find what is the amplitude for the sine wave. Actually I will ignore and I will use a default value which is a 1. I will bring another block for amplification of this wave. Another good way to bring a block in here, just double click your mouse. It will open the search bar. Click on the canvas, click, and it will open a search block. Bring a search magnifying glass. Just you bring another block which you want to use if you already know. So I will use here a gain block. Just type gain, it will open these blocks. So you just click here, it will open the gain block here, and you can see when you bring in front of this, automatically one arrow is appear. So just click on this arrow, then it will be connected. So already you know gain for what purpose it is used to multiply a particular value by a factor. So here you can see the factor is 1. Just double click on this field, just double click on this, it will give you a block parameter gain, and how much you want. Okay, I will put here 3, give you, it will multiply by 3. So it is showing here 3. Otherwise just select this, also you can change the gain value. And different way to connect the signal, just I will delete it, and you can see, just go here and you can drive the signal to connect into the next block, and it will connect. This signal after multiplying by the sine wave by 3 I want to visualize, so I will use here scope. Just double click and I will type here scope, so it will come. So different scopes are available. I will use the first one and I will resize it, and you can see arrow is available here, link. Just click on it and it will be linked with the scope. The scope is the most popular way to visualize any signals. This signal is multiplied by 3 and sine wave will get here in the visualization in the scope. And also I want to see the original signal. Just I will connect the original signal here, then I can align. See how clean alignment is. You can do like this. Another way is just click here and press the control key, and now you can make your another signal line to the scope. Press the mouse button, left button, and with the same time control key, and you can, if you do the left click, you can see you can move the original, but we need the branch from this signal. So just click here and see it is moving the original. Just press the control button and you can open a branch from here like this. I will delete it, it is temporary, and if it is not connected anywhere, it color will be red. After that just press the space bar, it will bring your model in the center. And one of the cool thing, when you click and block, the name is displayed here. When you click the other block, this name is disappears. Why the name disappear? Actually Simulink hides the block name by default. When you click, it is visible, otherwise it will be hide. So it is to reduce the cluster. So how to keep it is available? Just right click and go to the format and show block name. It is on auto, click on, so now it will not disappear wherever you click. See, it is appear here. I click here, it is blue color, here black color, but when I click somewhere, this is that one disappear. So go to the format, show block name, and click on. So now in this way your block name will not disappear. And by the mouse just scroll the wheel and you can see you can change the size which is display. After that just close the library browser. Just double click on your scope, and it is like this. Actually initially I display once. Just play sine here, and after run you can see this one. There is two lines. One is our original blue color, our original signal of sine wave, and after multiplying by 3 you can see this, the second yellow one, if you multiply, what it will be. So now I will change the gain. I put here 6, click OK, then I double click. Now again I play. You can see here it is changed, totally changed, blue color line after multiplying the gain with the sine wave. If I just write 1, and now you can see this is the previous one, and if I play again, both are up and down. You cannot see the difference. We'll put here 1.1. you will see both lines are nearby. Now I will see here, even though this is the original one, and see very less difference after multiplying with the gain. You can see here the input of the sine wave and the output after multiply by the gain, which I show you already. We can change. This is the previous one. No, you can see the both is changed. The blue color, this is the amplitude, and after multiplying by this, you can see the yellow line defying the factor multiplying by 3 output here. I run the simulation to check everything is behaving what I was expecting. It's a very common model. Everybody, when students when starting this simulation in Simulink, so they will start with this simple model. We make changes and we want to check the behave. We can see here in this model, just play and it will show you the behave of your model. Run it and you can visualize immediately how much changing is done. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please subscribe and like it, and if you have any question, write in the comments. I think this video is a little long because I started this one first time on YouTube, so it takes a long time.